Hello friends, today is 22 April and we will see gold. So as we discussed, this is WXYXZ pattern, but I have found that this is we are in a new impulse wave. As we discussed, if it is close above 1705, then it may a new impulse wave. So let's analyze. See, this is a ABC flat correction, and after flat correction this is X wave, and again flat correction ABC, this is Y, and we are here. So we can see this is a new impulse wave, because let's see in a 5-minute chart. Yesterday we assumed this is a X wave, and we forecast, and this is it may Z wave start, but it is not started and it has hold this level 1670. So this is the first wave. You can see here, yeah, these small teeny waves. This is 1 2, this is 3 4 in 1-minute chart. Here 3 4 and 5 pattern. We are not counting here in the 5-minute wave chart, but this is the 1 2 3 4 5 waves here. So small teeny waves, and we are giving it as a one number 1. Then we found 2. See, this second wave is around 61.8 percentage. Yeah, it is nearly 61.8 percentage, and this is also in a ABC correction, A, B and C. Then this wave, this is a inner wave of this bigger wave. Let's give it another 1 2. So this is sub waves, so we gave it as this is 1 2, and this third move is very swift. This third is not yet complete. Let's we check with the Fibonacci. This is the one. Fibonacci extension of this one wave is complete around 1715. So our third number is here 1715. Fourth is around 38 point percentage of this. Now we check the retracement of this first wave. So this retracement is around 1680, 50 percentage. So this correction may be around 38.2 percentage. We will see this correction. If it is complete around 1715, then we will see one correction up to the 23 or 38. So we will see a run like this, 23 percentage, and then fifth move. One, two, three, four, and fifth. Fifth is if we forecast 38 or 38 percentage, then 1725. Okay, so this is sub waves will complete around 1725, and this main impulse wave is at pending. So 1, 2 and 3 will complete around 1725. Then we will see a correction. We will see correction of this third wave as a 23 or 38 percentage. So if we assume this is 23 percentage, then 1712 level. So it may like this 1712, and fifth wave is towards new high. So the level is important. This is 171115. Let's we give first. You have to watch this level 1715. Okay, then correction up to the 1707. This is 7, and the third complete around 1725. This one is around 1725, and this is around 1711 fourth. And if we count this one is equivalent to fifth, then it is complete around 1740. Or if it is 68 percentage of this third move, third is complete over here. Then 38 or 61.8 percentage, then 1751 or 1736. So this run will complete like this. So next level was this one 1736. Let's clone here. Either 1736 or fifth wave will complete around 1736, or this is 1751. 1751. So it will be complete like this. If this is the new impulse wave, then so you have to watch this level. If this is new impulse wave, then this trend will not go below this one new impulse 1690. So at the stop loss of 1690 or 1688, you can make a buy position. So your SL is put SL 1688 for the new position. So this is the waves for the this week, and any dip, it is the buying opportunity. Currently it is around 1699, and if you count the, this is third wave, if you count the small waves like this is 1 2, this is 3, it will complete around 4 here, 1698, and fifth is around 1715. So this level is good opportunity. You will get the levels 1715 today or tomorrow, like this. Okay, so this is good levels now. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, then share and subscribe it, and also hit the bell icon so you will get the new notification as soon as possible. This is the whole picture view. You can see the level lies 1715, 1707, 25, 11, and 36 or 51 if we are not close below 1688. Okay guys,